the JTV, put it on repeat, yeah. It's family, love, and fun. That's the motto for life. Yeah, you already know what's up. We about to turn up, have fun like we don't give a.
Girl, who is that? What time is it? Guess who on time today, Pooh? Your girl's on time. Okay, I was on time for my week. I had a lit weekend. Okay, my weekend was so lit. It was so much fun. But I said, you know what? No, I'm not gonna use that as an excuse to be late. Baby, this week is maintenance week. Okay, I have not had a for real maintenance week. I don't think ever. I mean, I'll go get my nails done, make sure I'm on time while I'm talking. 9:18. We gonna walk and talk. Yeah, I can do. I want to wear it. Guess I'll wear this one. So I feel like I, get my nails done and stuff from time to time, but I ain't had no real maintenance, like going to get my, ooh, look at my decoration, so pretty, y'all. My house is coming together. Where's my perfume? Even though I don't like Boosie no more, I still like his perfume. I ain't buying no more though. But I just haven't had like a full, like for real girlified, like get everything cute. Give me a banana. Give me some water. Let me take my vitamins today too. I gotta take my big booty vitamins, y'all. What y'all know about this? Listen. Shut up! Come on, baby! Ah! Let's get cozy, baby. We gotta cut T the freak off, okay? We gotta get focused, okay? Anyway, y'all, let's run it back. I'm on time today for my maintenance. I don't have a maintenance day. I had to spread out my appointments throughout the days. So it's gonna be a maintenance week, okay? Because I'm getting a little bit of everything done. Today I am doing the microblading. Well, it's called like ombre brows, but y'all know the permanent makeup. So I am super excited about that. I'm getting my lashes done today. I'm getting lash extensions, y'all. I've never had lash extensions, but I'm getting me some lash extensions today, okay? I think those are my only 2 appointments for today, and then the rest of my appointments is for tomorrow, and y'all will see all of that. Oh yeah, girl, I'm trying to get cute. Like, I'm just really about to be serious about my cuteness. Like, that was one of my goals for this year, like to be cute. But it's deeper than just like, oh, I'm cute. I just feel like as a woman, you gotta treat yourself like a queen, okay? And vice versa, men, y'all gotta treat yourselves like kings. Like, you just gotta treat yourself good, so I'm gonna start taking my maintenance, my beauty maintenance seriously. So yeah, I'm just so excited to jump into some self-care, some serious self-care, much needed self-care, and just get cute and feel cute, okay? I feel so cute. Yo, what? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now I can wake up and my brows are done. Like, do y'all see that? That is crazy. And these lashes are so cute. I think next time I'm gonna go for a little bit more natural. These are medium. I probably should have started off with short because I'm not used to having my lashes like done on a daily basis. But they cute though. They giving a little something. I'm thinking I'm too cute. Wait a minute. You mean to tell me I'm gonna just wake up every day looking like this? Every waking day? Wait a minute. I'm so glad that I did this for myself because I've been wanting to do it for so long. But I finally, found somebody here in Atlanta. Y'all, I feel really, really cute. Like, oh, you can't tell me nothing. But I'm gonna focus. Let me get my stuff. I just need to get a couple waters. I washed my face. I had to be careful because you know you gotta treat your eyebrows like tattoos because they are tattoos. So, but I woke up, washed my face, and that's it. And look at me. Ah! Hello, good morning. 10 a.m. appointment for nails, toes. Yeah. It's the finger toes for me. Get into it. Get into it. I got my little ugly toes, some acrylic, and my little French tub. It's giving a little bit of cute. It's giving finger toes. Check the nails. Nail check. Feet check. Baby, get into it. Because Karen did her thing. Karen and Andy. Okay, get into it. Oh yes, I love these so much. Oh, these are cute as hell. She did an amazing job. Oh, it's the aesthetics. You better. You better. Ah! Do y'all see these white teeth? Nigga, I've been staying out the dentist's office because I don't like the dentist. I'm supposed to have braces. But bitch, if I ain't gonna have straight teeth, you know what I'm saying? If I ain't gonna get my teeth fixed, I'm gonna at least have them white. Baby! And now, oh shit, I'm scared, y'all. I'm nervous as hell. This is my first time. Well, my second time. I ain't had a Brazilian wax in like some years.
T-I-E-R-A?
You was close. 2 R's. T-I-E-R-R-A-J.
Okay.
Yup.
Yeah, because I'm always on YouTube. So
girl, yeah, check me out.
Sure.
This is my maintenance week vlog.
Okay.
Nice and warm. So, like, how many strips you think you gonna have to do? This ain't gonna be a thing. This ain't gonna be a thing. So they say the first time the hardest.
First time is the hardest.
And then you get used to it, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely. Would you want me to counter anything for you?
No, just go ahead and do your
Okay.
thing.
3, 2. Some pressure. How was that?
Ah! Okay. Whoa.
Hopefully you'll be able to hold the camera when we get to the lip area.
Right. Oh, Lord. That part's real.
Yes, honestly. I know.
This is just the bikini part. The things us women go through.
All the seasons are on here, but I don't think they make it anymore. Yeah. Yeah, here we go with this part. Okay, yeah, it's gonna take a couple. Okay. I'll give you some time. If you need some time, just let me know.
And you said the lips is where it get real.
Yes. And that was a part of the lip. So
it was.
That's why, yeah, that's why you're feeling like that.
Okay.
You just only shaved your whole life?
Just shave.
Wow.
Yeah.
You don't have any discoloration, no
what?
exams or anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was doing something right there.
Yeah. Do you use like coconut oil or anything when you shave?
Shoot, what am I using? No, I just use soap or shaving cream. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I got a little pretty cat down there. Cause she look cute.
Exactly.
The lip part. I'm already shaking.
Okay, so it's ready now. You want me to count?
Oh, hold on. Okay, child. Let me put something on my mind.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
All right. Count to 3.
Uh-huh.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Some pressure. Though that you're still thriving over here doing what you need to do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I've been happy too.
Yeah, I can feel it in your energy. Like,
listen,
yes.
listen. Come on, don't give me the crap. Well, you just been through so much.
Yes.
Like, it's a dream just to be happy. Like,
yes, exactly.
Damn, I'm about to cry.
Oh, don't cry. I want you to cry. Once you start doing for yourself, that's when you really feel it. Like,
girl.
Yes. Let me stop.
I wish for you just to always be free. Never lose your freedom, girl.
Exactly. Same
Never lose yourself.
Same.
Yes. Living your truth and just do you.
She's a new woman. Really? She got a whole new cat.
got me wanting to take me out on a sushi date or something. What's good, baby? What's a nice Atlanta day? About 70 degrees. Your girl done got her nails done. She got her toes done. She got the kitty cat wax. It's a nice day. Might as well walk a little bit and just explore the ATL. Like, y'all, I'm this close to moving. I've enjoyed Lawrenceville. It's only, you know, 30 minutes from the city. Like, literally, that's really not that bad, huh? But I just want to live here, though. I want to get out my house, you feel me? Walk outside and just be walking and enjoying the culture and walking right into some good food. I don't know though, it's kind of like confliction because I love the city, but at the same time, when I go out on my patio and I'm in, you know, just in serenity with the nature and everything, I want that too. So I don't know, you can't have both.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it
Period, beach. She looking fine in the mud. Period. I'm trying to find some food, honey. I want to go to a place that got some outdoor seating. I feel like being outside. Like, I do not want to sit up in a restaurant. So I'm trying to find a place that got outdoor seating. Hold on, 10 Lizzies. I'm downtown, bitch. I'm downtown. I was in some neighborhood. I don't know what neighborhood it was. It was really cute though, but more so where people live type of neighborhood. I don't know where I want to go. I'm about to just ask somebody on the street. Where do you think I should go to eat? I'm gonna ask this man. What's good to eat? What's good to eat? Chick-fil-A? You ever tried this place, Truva? I guess I'll see, thank you. Now he told me Chick-fil-A. Nigga. Huh? I'm gonna bring you something. Oh, I should go up in this bitch. Gus's fried chicken. I've just been attracting so much energy lately. Good energy. Like,
have a good day, man.
Hey, you too, baby.
I wish I could, but if I had your hand after mine.
Life is just crazy though. Huh? What? Boy, bye. See, I know what energy to stay away from though. No, leave me alone. It feels so good to just flow.